President Putin sends warship equipped with weapons to Atlantic. Yes, President Vladimir Putin has sent a warship towards the Atlantic and Indian Oceans, which are armed with hypersonic zircon cruise missiles, which he said were unique on a worldwide basis. So, President Putin has sent a warship which is equipped with weapons to the Atlantic region. President Putin has said that this time the ship is equipped with the latest hypersonic missile system, the Zircon, which has no analogs. And he wished the crew members a successful trip and said that this ship is crucial and they are the crew members are doing service for the good of their motherland. So, what has President Putin said? First of all, he wished the crew members of this ship success and said that whatever their crew members would do would be for the service of their motherland, which would be something good. So this is what President Putin has said. Now these missiles fly approximately 9 times more than the speed of sound and have a range of more than 1000 kilometer. This has been revealed by Russia and we would come to know of more details in a short period of time. So far, President Putin has just said this and that the warship has been sent towards the Atlantic. Stay updated.